In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Zapier to Glide. This connection allows you to exchange data between Glide and hundreds of other apps. To begin, open the Glide app that you want to connect to Zapier. Once you're in the correct app, head over to your Zapier account. On the left-hand menu, you can create a new Zap and choose Glide as one of the apps Zapier will eventually ask you to connect your Glide account. But you can also connect it using another method. From the left-hand menu in Zapier, click on App Connections. Then click on Add Connection. In the search box, type Glide. And when it appears, click on it and then click Add Connection. Zapier will now ask you for an API key so it can access your Glide account. To get this API key, go back to Glide. Make sure you are in the app you want to integrate. Click on the Settings option at the upper side of your screen. From the new options that appear, click on Integrations. On the right-hand side search box, type Zapier. When it appears, click on the Add option. Now you will see the API key section appear with a Copy option. Simply copy the API key. Return to Zapier where it was asking for your API key, paste it in, and click Yes. Continue to Glide. After a moment, you will see your Glide app successfully connected, and this is how you can connect Zapier to Glide.